Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and I am the Arthritic Artisan. So which craft are we going to be doing today? Today we're going to be making this super simple and bright American flag flower pot with a floral arrangement in it. If you're ready to get started, I'm ready to get started. Let's go. For this project, I'm going to be using Bonnie craft cord. You can use any kind of cording or yarn that you want, but going forward in this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about Bonnie craft cord. Now, this is a fusible cord, so we're going to be wrapping both colors at the same time, and I simply put them together, heat it with my lighter, and the cords are fused together. I'm going to cut the cord at a 45-degree angle. That way when we start wrapping, it's a flush fit from the end of the cord to the bottom of this flower tin. This is a stretchy cord. As I'm wrapping the two colors together, I'm putting a bead of glue down, stretching the cord, and then laying it in place. And we're going to continue wrapping both colors side by side and gluing all the way around. You're going to want to start at the bottom of this tin since it angles up and out. If you started at the top, you would be fighting with it the entire time that you're wrapping it because your cord is going to want to sag. So you'll save yourself a huge headache if you start at the bottom and work your way up. Once you get to the top, you're again going to cut the end of that cord at a 45-degree angle and make it a flush fit to the top. It makes for a much nicer finish. When I cut this craft cord, I hit it with my lighter just so that that cording doesn't fray, because it will fray on you. The next thing you're going to need for this is a wooden star and some white chalk paint, and we're just going to paint that star with the white chalk paint, just the edges and the front side. The back side's not going to matter too much. I got this very large pack of stars from Hobby Lobby. There's 135 stars in a pack for $3, so it's a really good deal. Next, we're going to be going to one of my favorite things, and that is scrap fabric, scrap denim. I'm cutting out a square, taking some threads out to fray the edges, and then hot gluing that and laying it right down to make the blue part of our beautiful American flag. Once you get done with that, add some hot glue to the back of that star, once the paint is dried, of course, and glue that to the center of the denim. Now you're done with your pot. You can decorate this any way you want. I'll show you what I did with mine. I took some foam blocks, hot glued them down to the bottom, and then I just chose a bunch of red, white, blue florals. I'm also going to use this American flag, and for a filler I'm using, well, none other than American moss. All the florals that I'm using in this project I got at the Dollar Tree, and if you had watched my hauls, you would have seen them from my hauls. I have so many florals, y'all. It is ridiculous. So this is what I did with my bucket. You can decorate yours any way that you want. This is the colors that I chose, and I wanted to do something a little brighter than normal. I wanted to also add this American flag to the back of it, but I wanted it to look kind of like the flag was waving in the air. So once I got it in, I bent the flag and positioned it to where I thought it looked like the wind was blowing it. Then I took a scrap piece of a bamboo skewer, hot glued it to the outer edge of the flag, and then tucked the skewer down into that floral foam just so that it looks like this flag is waving. Guess what, y'all? We are done. Let me know in the comments section below what you think about this super easy and bright American patriotic craft. Give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to get notified about all future videos and projects. And until next time, have a magical day.